All right, so we got to talk about this, man. This is crazy, man. So we got CoreySSG, as you guys can see right here, right? He posted this, looks like originally on TikTok, and then he reposted it on his Instagram story feed. So he's holding a lot of cash. Looks like a lot of hundreds right here, man. Probably got to be at least $300,000, $400,000, $500,000. Definitely looks like hundreds. You can see it from the side. So got to be at least $300,000, $400,000, $500,000. There's a lot of money, right? Now, if you guys remember the whole situation, right, with this alleged kidnapping, right? This was a news article, second paragraph, right? The complainants begged him to stop and take them home. He refused. So this is according to Prosecutor Randy. I don't know if I'm saying it right, but Randy Marquez. So that looks like to be the prosecutor. So I just Googled it, got this LinkedIn profile. So, yep, she's the Harris County District Attorney's Office, south of Texas. So she was the one actually on, I think a lot of people mistake her for a news reporter. Like when you guys saw the news coverage about her or whatever, she was the one talking. I don't know. A lot of people, for some reason, thought she was the reporter or something like that. No, she's the prosecutor. And then it looks like, I think the first judge that he saw was was during the probable cause hearing, right? So that was Judge Chris Morton. And as you guys know, this guy, CoreySSG, signed off on court documents, right? And said that he has no assets, he's not making money or whatever. And ever since he's been released, right, he's been showing nothing but money and laughing, right, and joking. I don't know if this is the right strategy, but this is definitely what you shouldn't be doing, right? So you guys saw him, right? He posted that clip. Like I said, it was originally on TikTok. Then he reposted it to all his other social media profiles. So now he's showing off this Porsche, right? And obviously he wants you guys to believe, because he's getting a lot of pushback. People are saying, oh, that's daddy's car. That's a customer's car, because obviously his dad owns a business, right? He sells cars or whatever. So a lot of people think his dad bought the car for him or whatever. But he wants to convince you that he got it, which is... that's fine. You can convince people that you got it all day long, right? But it's not going to help you out, because you're literally sitting on here. You're making the case more and more. So you're basically laughing at the prosecutor. You're laughing at the judge. You're laughing at the court system, right? The same way he made a joke out of it, right? When it first happened, right? And then he ran all the way to Dubai or Qatar and started posting all these trolling videos, right? Trolling the feds, trolling the law enforcement agencies, right? He's been making it a joke. I don't know if that's, like I said, I don't know if that's the right strategy, because you're just going to make it more and more difficult for himself. And now he's posting, oh, I got money. I got cash on me. So the question is, who, if it's not his cash, who is giving him that amount of money to post on social media? I mean, it's crazy, right? You would think somebody that's smart like him should not go in the middle of this case and post that amount of money. But if it's not his money, who gave him that much cash money to post like that? So yeah, he's washing the Porsche. I don't think the Porsche is, I think it's daddy's Porsche, but it don't bother me if it's his Porsche. It just makes him look like he's lying to, yeah, that's his father's business right there in the background. So you guys remember this right here? This is the court documents, right? Full-time employment status, full-time, self-employed. job or occupation, content creator. All right. You got all these zeros, man. All of it is all zeroed out. Your salary unknown, spouse salary 0, social security check 0, child support 0, other government check 0, government housing 0, other income 0, rent, mortgage, and insurance 0, car payment 0. But he has money for a Porsche, right? Utilities, cell phone, clothes and food, daycare, health insurance, medical expenses, credit card, court-ordered, monies, child support here. That's all the middle box, all zeros. Then the third box on the right, non-exempt assets, cash on hand. He just showed you guys he's holding that much cash, right? Maybe that really is his cash, and he just stored it. He has it stored in his room or whatever in a vault, because he doesn't want it in his bank accounts, because now that he's going through a divorce, he's worried about assets being given or split with Carmen, since that is actually getting finalized now, right? Because Carmen was the one that actually pursued it, not him, right? If you guys look at the court documents, go watch the video we did. I think it was probably like a week ago, 2 weeks ago. Carmen and her lawyers are the one that actually filed for divorce. It wasn't him. He just does all this rah-rah talk online, right? Just like he trolls, like he's been trolling these prosecutors, the judges, and before that, when he was hiding in Dubai, trolling officers, throwing shots at the FBI and all that. And if they really want to make an example out of him, they could make an example out of him. And he's making it relatively easy for them, because he's sitting on here. All right. He's obviously lied in these court documents, right? He's got money. It might not be in his name, but obviously getting on social media and saying, I got this brand new Porsche. I got $400,000. I mean, it looks more than $250,000, because I've seen $250,000 cash. That definitely looks like probably like $500,000 in cash. So could be money that he's got stashed in a vault because he's scared, right, that Carmen's going to get it. And it's not going to make him look good even for that case, because I'm sure Carmen's going to try to get some child support. Boss man, huh? Boss man's got money like that. So you're going to pay up that child support. Then he's got the cases. He's got a couple cases in Georgia, too. This guy is like, you would think, CJ on 32's posted something on his story feed saying, can you guys connect me to CoreySSG's family? Like, come on now. CoreySSG. His Instagram accounts. You can DM him. You don't need to post something on your story feed trying to get connected. All this clout chasing. CJ on 32's is another goofy, man. Posting all this kind of shit online, trying to get in connection with CoreySSG. Just DM him. He's active on social media. DM him. Clout chaser, right? I wouldn't be surprised if CJ on 32's is also giving him money. That's another sneaky guy, right? CJ on 32's he's like another undercover sneaky guy, right? He secretly wants to come out and help certain people, right? Why aren't you helping out Carmen the same way you were helping out Royalty, right? When you and CJ So Cool fell off, right, and you started hanging around Royalty, why didn't you start hanging around Carmen? Huh? How come? It just don't make sense, right? That dude was just weird. That guy, CJ on 32, is a real weirdo, man. But yeah, so this is not it ain't gonna help you. Posting $500,000 cash or whatever it is, whatever amount it was. Like, for what purpose? Like, what is he gonna accomplish from doing all this? Is it to laugh at the prosecutor? To laugh at the judge? The same judge that you were begging to get you an investigator? So now you're showing them, I got money, but I'm not going to use my money. Is that what it means? Let me know in the comments.